Hi everyone, so I'm back with another Fashion Nova haul, so we're just gonna get straight into it. Starting off with this jumper. So I'm really into like cardigans and jumpers at the moment, especially obviously because it's winter, so I just need like a few more like easy casual throw on pieces. So I really like this one. It's a nice length, it's literally the perfect length. It's nice and cropped. It's like a nice sort of medium thickness. I just thought the print was quite nice, like very simple like I said, and I like sort of the more balloon sleeves. Very nice quality. I got in a size extra large, fits perfect, lots of stretch to it, and it's a really nice material, so it's not like itchy on the skin. So if you've got sensitive skin, this is really nice. And then I've just paired it with some black leggings, how I would kind of wear it. I probably would put a top underneath because it is a little bit of a low cut, but yeah, really like this one. Again, super comfy and cash, so it's just easy to throw on. Next up, we have a little two-piece. So I did see something similar to this last year at some point, and I didn't pick it up for myself, but they had this sort of like leopard print one, and I'm sure they've got another one on there at the moment. Sorry, I had to put you guys up a little bit. So it's just like a cute little leopard cami crop top. It is that like waffle material. I got it in a size extra large. As you can see, I probably would have preferred it a little bit more cropped just because it comes a bit more down onto my hips. But then it also comes with a cardigan, which I think is quite good because you could mix and match. You don't have to wear them both together necessarily. You can have it undone. You could have like a button done up or a couple, or done up and then split at the bottom. So again, just a nice like easy casual thing to throw on. I'm kind of more into like simple casual tops at the moment, if you can't tell. Yes, I picked up this one, really nice quality again, like it's that waffle material. Haven't really got anything in this material, but yeah, really like this one because I can just throw it on, super cute and comfy and cash. Next up we have this jumper. This is so soft, like ridiculously soft. I really liked the colours of this. Again, it's kind of like a knitted cardigan. Now, I got this in a size small because I kind of wanted this like tighter fit, and then it has two tie things. Obviously I would put a top underneath this, but I'm kind of liking like the bottom bit being like more open at the moment. But yeah, so size small, really soft and comfortable, just something easy to throw on. But they do have this in another style jumper, which I really liked, but I opted for this one. So yeah, again, another little successful top. As you can see, I have a lot of tops. So next we have this like thin sweatshirt. It's obviously Rolling Stones. I just again thought it was cute. I picked up in a size small, so it was cropped and more fitted. Has Rolling Stones here, and then like the little kiss. Just kind of felt like the brown vibe. Again, I just like the style and stuff, so that's why I picked it up. But obviously it is a little bit more on the thinner side, which I don't mind because sometimes the thicker ones you get a bit hot with and stuff. But yeah, again, a winner. I feel like this is a very successful haul, and I've got a lot of like new tops that I can again throw on casual. Next up we have this top. So again, it's like that waffle material, kind of similar to the leopard. I'm loving this like open style at the moment, which is why I picked this up, and obviously the colours, definitely more me. The sleeves are a little bit long. I got it in a size extra large. There is some stretch to it, but I will say it's definitely more like on the fitted side. And then if I come a bit closer, you can see that's what it looks like. 3 buttons, they do pop, so definitely be careful that you're not gonna pop them all. But again, as I keep saying, comfy, casual, cute, easy to throw on. Just can go around running errands in it and stuff. But yeah, a nice long sleeve top, and I can layer this as well, which is quite nice. But again, if you've got a kind of shape like me, this kind of style is quite flattering, I find, so that's why I keep picking up items that are like this. But last of the tops, we have this bodysuit. I love purple, but I don't often pick up enough purple like items of clothing. I don't often see loads either, but it reminds me of some of the other tops I have from Fashion Nova that I love. But this is a bodysuit. Again, love the colour. It's kind of that like fleece material. It's a bit more like open neck, not off the shoulder, but more open neck. And then it does have like the balloon loose sleeves, but it does have stretchy elastic cuffs, which I always need because I just prefer them. And again, like the sleeves don't fall. It is like a thong bottom, and then it is like a smooth material there. But yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because there's a lot of like Fashion Nova tops that I absolutely live in because I love them, and this is gonna definitely be one of them. Love my bodysuits as well. I feel like you could definitely dress this up if you wanted to, but I will probably style it a bit more casual, so again like with leggings and like trainers and stuff. But this will be great to wear to work as well, so I think I'll probably wear this to work next week. Got it in a size 1X, which I normally get in bodysuits because I just need the room like to fit around the bottom half of me. So yeah, love this one. Right, moving on to the dresses. Now this one is a little bit too sheer for me. I didn't think it was going to kind of be like this thin and this material, but I really liked the colours of it. I do find it also weird that the seams are like down the front and the back with like the ruching, because I'm used to it down the side. But yeah, it is a little bit too sheer for me. I got in a size extra large, so it's not really going to be something I'll get a lot of use out of. It is like a maxi length, it is like right down to my feet. But the colour's really nice, it looked nice on the model. It's just not as wearable, I think, for me. But you could probably put like a nice little slip under. I did put nude undies on and stuff. And then that's what the back looks like. Yeah, but again, it's nice material, it's just a bit thin. You'd probably have to wear some sort of like slip underneath. Next up we have this dress. They also had this in brown and purple. I did feel like this was going to have a bit more like structure and stuff to it. So it's not as like nice as I thought it was going to be, but it is still a nice dress. So I'll come a bit closer. It does have like that coursing sort of detailing. They are like structured, and it has like the bra sort of section with like a little bit of lace. It's a very nice material, it's soft, it is double lined, and it has like thin straps. Got it in size extra large if I didn't say that. So it does fit perfectly. It's a nice midi length. Again, I really liked it on the model, but I just felt like it was just going to be a little bit different in person. That's what the back looks like. It does have a zip as well, but I can literally just slide this on because it does have stretch to it. So yeah, another cute little dress. Right, this next one is obviously not that practical for me, but I did want to try it because I really liked the leopard print and the metallic vibe. It is like it is really long in the arms, to be fair, but they're like the nice like sort of flowy sleeves. They have like little ties. It is nice and stretchy. I got it in a size extra large. It's double lined. Obviously it's very open at the front, and it has like this triangle leopard bra that it comes with. It's kind of like the cow neck, but really like long and loose. Obviously it is very short, and then the back does tie. There is a thing that goes across, but yeah, as you can see, very, very short. Not super practical or really wearable for me. Oh, it's fallen off the arms a little bit. But I really like it. I love the colour, the pattern. Sorry guys, I was so thrown off. My male cat was just attacking his sister. So I can't remember what I was saying, but yeah, I do really like this one. Just not super practical, but it's good if you want to do like raves or like beach parties, something along those lines. Next up we have this like gorgeous strapless dress. I feel like this is perfect for like prom, summer weddings, things like that. But I picked it up because I really love the design. I love the colours. I feel like it's very different. It kind of is that like jacquard material with a bit of metallic in. I just don't think it's sitting up the best on me, and I probably would have preferred it to like be a bit more flattering. So I don't think it's super flattering on me. It does have like a few layers in and like a small toe layer. Is that how you say it? Toe layer? And I got it in a size extra large, so it kind of like fits perfect, to be honest. It does have like a corset style back that I haven't properly done up. So it probably fit a little bit better on top had I done that, and it does have a zip. But this is really nice quality, and again, I feel like it's perfect for spring, summer weddings. I just think it's not super flattering on me, just because of my shape and like the length and stuff. And strapless is a bit like risky, isn't it, sometimes? But yeah, I really like the colours of this one, and I know it will flatter a lot of other women. Okay, next up we have this gorgeous like silky satin green swimsuit. Now I got a size 1X. I will say it pretty much fits perfectly. It's a little bit more, I guess, on the snug side. I'm not sure like if this middle bit's like not the most flattering, but it does tie at the top. Like you can crisscross it. I feel like it's very flattering, like a nice simple, well it's not simple is it, but like a nice cutout, very flattering on my shape. Again, like I said, it is double lined, but it's a little bit more on the snug side, I would say. But I absolutely adore the colour and the material. Bit of shine, bit of glam. I definitely feel like this would be nice, like, you know how people do like the beach parties with like heels, a nice like throw over. The back is definitely a little bit more cheeky. It does have a thing that you can, I haven't really done it properly, it is a bit like awkward. It does have 3 like clasp bits so you can tighten it. And it is a little bit more on the cheeky side, but this is definitely one of my favourites. I probably will take this to Miami with me, I think. It'll definitely be coming to Florida, but yeah, really like this one. Probably make this a bit more full coverage if I wanted to. So yeah, this one's a winner for me. Okay, next we have this 4-piece swimsuit set. So I really like this. It's that like terry towel material. I got in a size 1X. So it comes with like a nice little like crop top that you can put on. Again, you can mix and match you can mix and match pieces. You don't have to wear them all together. It comes with like this nice little, I can't even speak today, like a little bralette style top. It does have padding in. It can You can take the straps off. They are adjustable. It does have 3 clasps sections at the back, so you can tighten it. Obviously you can wear it strapless, and then it comes with like a little cute skirt. The only thing is, I will say that the bottoms are quite tight for a 1X. I feel like they're not super flattering. They're kind of like pinching all the stomach fat. They are very cheeky as well. They're kind of like a Brazilian style. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like it is really cute, and it's actually a set, like a whole set that I actually like for once. And I like the colours as well. It's a bit different, very springy, summery. So I'm thinking if I shift a few pounds so that the bottoms like fit a little bit better, I'm going to take this away with me to Florida as well and have it as like a whole little set, because I feel like it's just really cute. Sit by the pool with it. So yeah, I really like this one. Again, it's very stretchy and comfy. The bottoms are just the tightest, like snug part for me, that's all. Okay, lastly, I got 2 pairs of shoes. So I think these might be the black ones. Yep. These are definitely a little bit snug. I thought they were cute. They're not too high either. They're like a suede material. They're just like crisscrossy. It's a bit hard to see with me standing there. They've just got like some gold bits on. They have a buckle to do them up. I got them in a UK 5, which is a US 7. But like I said, they are a little bit more on the snug side. But nonetheless, they're still cute. And I'll get a lot of use out of them because they're black. Versatile. And then again, these I'll get a lot of use out of because they're neutral. And they do have them in bright pink and black. So I'm tempted to pick up the other colours eventually, especially maybe like the pink. But I just was sold because of the bow on the back. They're not like the style sort of front that I would usually go for, because it's quite a thin strap. They kind of do squeeze my toes a little bit. But again, US 7, UK 5, they are like a little bit more of a higher heel. But I really love the bow on them. Like, I think these are so cute. If you've got like a bridal shower, party, whatever, bachelorette, like these are perfect for that. Or if you've got like vintage dresses or just want to be girly and cute, I feel like these are definitely something that you need. But if I could probably size up, I probably would have got 7.5 maybe, but I don't know if they do that. But my feet fit in them perfectly. It's just a bit too snug at the front. So they were all the items I picked up. I will say this is a very successful haul. A couple of the dresses that aren't really my thing, but the rest of it, like, win-win. I will leave them all linked down below if you do want to check any of them out. Let me know in the comments below which was your favourite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Fashion Nova haul. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!